Hey there, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, we'll be going to put our hands on understanding design and the prototype, right? So if you don't have any experience on the design in the Figma or any kind of other design system, nothing to worry, we will be going to explore together right here, right? So here, this is Figma where maybe this kind of like similar tool, you will be able to get it from your designer and while they're sharing the design files and all. So it can have a different type of the expectation or maybe measurements and everything. So where you can directly iterate the same design or same principle, same color, fonts and everything in your front-end code, right? So we'll be going to design the similar stuff in our front-end application. So if you see here in this design, you can see like there are few sections are available in this application. So this is going to be navigation bar and you can see this is going to be our hero image, right? And here, this is the product section where you can see there are a bunch of cards are there, right? All of the products are displaying in the card, right? And each and every card can have their own type of style, just like, there's a kind of boxes there. Inside the box, there going to be a kind of text and the color are also going to be different. And the product description and the ratings and all of the prices and there are small icons also there where you can just add all of the products to your favorite list or maybe wish list. Then you can add to the cart also. Once you're going to add this product to the cart from the main menu, then still you can visible all of the cart items right here, right? So while it comes to navigation, you can see like it is nicely organized and everything, like where you can search the product, by product name or category also. So as soon as you're typing the product name and category, it will be going to be listed down. That is also we are going to explore in detailed design section. And down the line, if you see here again, this is a kind of promotional image. So down the line, if you see here, this is a kind of promotional image. That is also we will be getting it from our backend system. And some of the static features, this is going to be lead up to a certain page where we can see the application features for, as an example, for what kind of discounts are available or what kind of delivery we are going to give. All of this information we will be going to dedicate it to a certain page, right? And finally, we will be going to provide the category also where you can browse by category. Once you click out that particular the category, it will be going to land it to the search category, search product page where all of the products will be, let's say, daily fresh vegetable, right? Based on this product, you can see all of the listed products. Then this is very similar, like, simple the discount or maybe something like just like this in a promotion, right? So where if you sign up, then you can get particular discount. All of the design also we are going to do, and related to all of the design and API system also we will be going to cover in our backend system. Now let's try to understand how we can iterate this design. So if you zoom in a little bit, if you see here, this is a kind of very simple icon, right? You can see if you double click, then you can see this is a kind of image. So while you are going to work on that, then designer can export this particular assets for you, so you can exactly use this design and icon in your application. And while it comes to the font, then you can just click on right here. Then if you see, this is the font color code, that is you can directly implement in your application, and this is going to be kind of like font style or pace. If you select here what kind of font you're going to use, that based on that you can utilize, right? So we are not going to change the design stuff from here, right? We are going to use the similar kind of font also, and you can directly use the sizes also from here, where you can get it the size of the font and what kind of text line spacings is being used. So if you're going to be iterate the same type of this size and all of the calculation, then only it will be finally you can get this kind of the look and feel, right? And similar applies for the text box also. If you go here, this is a kind of navigation box, right? It's a kind of group, and if you double click right here, go inside here, you can see this is a kind of again another block of the combination of text fill and the icon, right? In the right hand side, you can see there is a kind of icon, source icon also clearly saying like this is indicating this is a kind of text fill where we can directly search any kind of item. And inside this, you can see this is a kind of text fill again, right? So now you know how we can iterate all of this stuff, right? So by looking at go to that particular design, double click right there, then you can find it out what kind of images and assets are there, and you can find out what is the size exactly. Right now you can see it has approximately 861 pixel and 1582.17 pixel is wide, right? So sometimes we need to iterate the design this similar way, but the height and width it's going to be differ in various screen sizes. those things also you can get it from your designer. Like, there are certain breakpoints we need to use from the front end perspective. That is also we can cover it right there. So what we're going to do, we'll be going to write some kind of reusable style sheets. So where we can directly refer to that particular style sheets once the application is going to meet that particular breakpoint. Right? There are a lot of things we'll be going to cover throughout of our coding session. Perfect. In the next lecture, we'll be going to set up our backend project. Then we will be going to put our hands on full fledged writing all of the codes, front end, backend, forth. Thank you. Then see you right there.